Hi guys, this is Chelston. I'm a strength and conditioning coach. Today I'm here to speak about your clothing on race day. So the first thing you have to choose is nylon or polyester, as long as it's breathable. So make sure it's nice and light, you're very comfortable on it. Avoid wearing cotton just because it might get heavy, the sweat is not easily absorbed and it gets harder. Right, so if the t-shirt has a collar, make sure it's comfortable as well as your sleeves while you're running. It shouldn't come on the way. You should be easily able to do the full range of motion while you're running. The same thing for your shorts. Make sure the waist is nice and loose, not too loose, not too tight. In fact, secondly, even the bottom of your shorts need to be comfortable for you. Every individual has his or her own preference, so that's why it's very important to train with the clothes that you're going to wear on race day. The next thing you'll have to see is your accessories. If you're wearing any accessories on race day, that is, say for example, a mobile cover or a waist belt, make sure that you've trained enough with it because it does get heavier on the body. If you're comfortable doing that or if you're comfortable wearing it, then you can go ahead and do it for your race day. The last thing that you'll have to look at is probably the most important, your footwear. So the footwear has to be perfect. The size has to be good. You've got to be comfortable in that shoes while you're running, and you've got to ideally train with that for about 8 weeks before you choose that for your race day. We are also working on a lot of apparel for running as well as different sports, so you can check us out soon. I hope this is useful for you. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. You can also subscribe to the YouTube page, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.